name is Mela Blau and originally I'm Polish. Back in Poland I did business studies and management. Some of the problems are similar all over the world. We all have, for example, children poverty. Latin Americans are having the same problem and they are dealing with it on a number of different ways. I think this comparing and contrast of your own country or your own culture or your own perspective with something that is foreign, I think it's a really good way to figure out for yourself what your perspective is going to be. I learned in Latin American studies that people have to change their life ways. They are struggling right now, they are criminalized, they are pushed to live in urban favelas. That's something that stays kind of behind the curtain. And that's the knowledge that I fulfilled here in Latin American studies. And I learned a lot about economics as well, because we have to learn what the GDP means and inflation and things like that, because through that language we can understand the cases and then we can figure out for ourselves.